Lori is at a clothes store. She finds a jacket she really likes. But the store doesn't have the color she wants. What does Lori do? Follow Lori and Alex to the store to find out.
Oh, I love this store. Let's look around.
What are you looking for today?
I want a new jacket. I need something warm.
Do you know where the jackets are?
No, this store is very big. Let's ask someone. Excuse me, where are the jackets?
They are in aisle 3. Follow me. Here we are. The jackets are on this side.
Oh, I like this jacket. Can I have a look?
It looks warm. What size are you?
I'm a medium. Do you have it in a medium, please?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thank you.
Remember, do you have it in a medium, please?
Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Thank you. It's a little too tight. I need a bigger size. Let me go and ask.
How was it?
It was too tight. I need a large.
Okay, let's ask Jess.
Excuse me, do you have this in a large?
Yes, let me get that for you. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll try it on now. This one fits perfectly. And it feels really comfortable too.
Oh, it looks great on you.
Really? What do you think about the color?
I like it. It suits you.
I like it too. But I just remembered I already have a gray jacket at home.
So you want a different color?
Yes, I really want it in blue. Excuse me, do you have this jacket in blue?
Let me check for you. I'm sorry. The blue jacket is out of stock.
Oh no, is it available in any other store?
I can check. One moment, please. I'm sorry. We don't have it in any of our stores.
Oh, that's too bad.
I know, but maybe there is another jacket you like.
I really wanted the blue one.
Let's look at the other options. Maybe you will find something you like. Remember, is it available in any other store? The blue jacket is out of stock. Listen to what Jess suggests.
I'm sorry about that, but we have a similar jacket in the store.
Can I see it?
Of course. This is the jacket. It comes in dark gray and green.
Oh, it's nice. I like the style. Do you have it in any other color?
No, just these 2 colors.
Okay, I like the dark gray. Can I try it on?
Yes, of course.
I think it will look great on you.
Okay, I'll try it on.
The fitting rooms are over there.
This fits well, and I really like the color.
It looks great. I think you should get it.
Okay, I'll get this one. Excuse me, how much is it?
It is $45.
Okay, I'll take it. Let's go and pay.
Remember, do you have it in any other color? Lori likes the jacket. Now she needs to pay.
I want to buy this jacket, please.
Of course. Let me scan it for you. Your total is $38.
Wait, I thought it was $45.
It is on sale today. We have a discount on this jacket.
Oh, that's great!
That's a nice surprise. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. You can pay by card here.
Okay, that's done.
Here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a good day. I'm really happy with this jacket.
And you got a discount. That's even better. That's the end of today's video. Lori and Alex went shopping today. Now you know what to say at a clothes store too. Do you remember the question from the start? The first jacket Lori likes, the store doesn't have the color she wants. Does she find another jacket she likes? Write your answer in the comments. I'll read and reply to every comment. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more slow and easy English. Thank you for watching. See you next time.